are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to treat me, treat me, treat me. So hey guys, this your girl, look at Shanika. If you want to learn how to do this pop-out blog thumbnail, then follow me. So basically, we're going to go to Canva. And we're going to go in Canva, we're going to go at the top and type in thumbnail. So basically, we're going to create this thumbnail about a traveling vlog, okay, whatever you are basically going to. So basically, we're going for a theme such as going to an island, which is called Border Border. That's my dream island. And then you're going to go to Pinterest and pick out several pictures that you like. So basically, I picked out this dark blue background. And how you're going to change the color is you're just going to go to filter and you're going to change to the consistency color that you like. And I'm just going down each line, which one will speak to me. So I was looking for like a turquoise color. And I found this blue because I couldn't find nothing similar. So I found that one, that heart wave. And I was happy with that. So I'm going to adjust it and I'm going to use that for a background. Make sure you subscribe to me if you ain't already subscribed. Like, your girl's putting it on how to do this pop-up look. Like, it is fire. Like, so then we're going to go to elements and we're going to basically type in picture frames, like frames. Well, first frames. And then we're going to go to frames, slide over to frames at the top. Frames. And then we're going to scroll it up. Okay. My phone be acting crazy. So I'm looking for like a rectangle skinny frame. First I was going with that, but then I wanted to have some traces of blue in the middle, so I was not digging it. So then I found this frame, okay? And then I tried duplicating it because I want to make sure they are symmetrical. But I see I was going to have problems. So I know I'm going to find on other size frames. So don't be afraid to adjust them. Like, play with them a little bit and you're going to see I'm going to do that here. Make sure you subscribe if you want to learn more because your girl is going to definitely put you on. Now, I was like thinking on top of my head how to do this. Like, I was just thinking, so we need to make a cute thumbnail to make things pop out, like to make it look very interesting, but it will draw attention. So that's why I come in at, okay? So after that, I decided to delete them again and post them back again by hitting the little plus, and then I think I'm satisfied with the way it looks. So now we're going to go to our photos, and we're going to pick 3 photos that we want to place. Basically, it's going to be a cocktail, her getting her nails done, and the place that we're at, okay? So, yellow cocktail. Girl, what are you doing? Select them already, okay? And the nails. So we're going to place that down. So we're going to just drag them on top of the photo. And don't worry about it. It's going to adjust itself. And then the nails in the middle. And then we're going to the vacation on the other end. So as you can see with the nails part, it got a little word at the bottom. So I was trying to figure out how to adjust it. So I figured I had to tap on it and scratch it out a little bit to remove those words. Like nothing special, just something easy. And then we're going to go back to my photos and hit this blue. Now just peep this out. We're going to go back to filter and get that same shaded color. And I'm going to drag that on top of that. Now, it's going to be a little bit tricky or how to put it, not to interfere with the photos. Because, like, keep moving it. It's like it's going to catch, like, as you can see right there, it's catching the colors. And I didn't want that. So, you got to take your time, like, or be fast with it. Like, you got to play with it until, I know that didn't sound right. But anyway, you got to play with it until you get it. So, I decided to scratch it out a little bit and just go fast. Like I just did to make sure it was right. And then we're going to go to transparent and we're going to adjust it so we can see it. So it's giving like a faded vacation look, like things I did. So I used it and transparent it to my liking. Now it's time to go to picture frames, okay? Type in a photo frame. We're on a photo frames that, I don't know if you know, but some of y'all do. You know. Those photo frames when you take a picture within the 90s or whatever, and when you take a picture, it prints your picture. So I was looking for those cotton love frames. So I saw that one, but that one was not giving what I wanted. I wanted like a square looking one. I didn't like that one. I was looking for a square look, like, I don't know. So I don't know what I was typing, but I was trying to just use. Sometimes my phone has a mind of its own. When I type, it types what it wants. So I don't know. Maybe it's time for me to upgrade. And that one right at the corner, that one was given. That's what I was looking for. So I'm going to delete that one. And I'm going to adjust that one to my liking. Okay. And drag it so that way it can see the drinks and stuff. I don't want to just be covering the whole drinks up because that was the mission of covering it up if you can't see the drinks. And then we're going to select our photos where it can be a different area of the vacation. Okay. I mean, of the bar. So it's gonna be like a bar, like where we go get drinks from, because people gonna want to know where you got that drink from, and I just basically put it right there. And then we're gonna go back to elements again and get that same frame, and we're gonna adjust it a little bigger than the other one does, but just trust the process, y'all. And that's what we come at to do this pop off look. Okay. So then we're gonna go pick that girl at the salon. That's animated made. Okay, so mind you, that's not someone photo. I created that animation and I'm adjust her because she's getting her hair fixed. So she's like a beautiful girl getting her hair fixed. My own homemade character. Okay, you get it. So we're gonna adjust her, right? And then I already basically remove her from the background because I used a different app. And as you can see right here, this is her. And it's gonna automatic like blend in a little bit. You just gotta play with it. So as you can see, I adjust it. And then I'm trying to, place it in there. Like you're gonna see me play with it. So I realized what I needed to do. So I needed to go to position first. So the area at the top is when you messed up, will bring it back. So I needed to go to position her in the back and then adjust her. See, look, we're having problems. I mean, I didn't think this through until the last minute, like, so you just gotta be careful, boo. So basically, see, oh my goodness. So we're gonna go to position. I said, hi, why don't I do this? I go to position, set her to the back, and then place her where I want her big ass head to be. And then you pull it to the front, and then you go backwards again. No, and then you put it to the front again. You gotta be careful how it's gonna go. Like you gotta make sure you adjust it too so she can fit in the frame. And I was happy with that. And then I'm gonna crock her, like, yeah. And bam, that's how you giving that pop out look. Like, how you like my style? Boom, boom, boom. So then we're gonna go add our photo, add us a font, some words, and basically it's going to be a blog, letting y'all know, hey, come watch my video. It's a vlog video, and then we're gonna change these colors as you can see. I'm gonna change them. I was thinking about letting them leave it like that, but that color was not hitting me. So we're gonna go to effect, and we're gonna go different, select the effect that we wanted. I mean, I was digging it, but so yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe if you ain't already subscribed, because your girl gonna be coming out with more big bangers for you. Like, I don't know, like me learning how to do certain things, it's just me being creative. Like, no one taught me how to be who I am. I am who I am, and I'm Shanika. Who I am, Shanika, bitch. Shanika, bitch. All right, anyway, let me stop playing with y'all. But anyway, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like, and comment what else that you want me to create. And I can see if I can make it. I'm going to be doing more thumbnails too, something cute. So we're going to look for another already creating font. So to create some type of words, another word. So you're scrolling. Now, mind you, I'm not using the paid Canva. I'm using a free. So yeah, I was liking that Puff Love. So I decided to ungroup Puff Love and then move it and then delete one of them. And then I decided to place my word, which is going to be vacation, letting y'all know, hey, go watch. So, and then don't worry about that. We're going to go to effect and we're going to slide over to shape to adjust the words back straight because it was already adjusted. And then we're going to go to the styles and change the way we want it to look. Okay, scroll down and then hit the colors that we want, which was given white. Okay. And I adjust my vlog word and put my other word on top of that. Okay, and I'm looking cute. Like, look at me. Ew. So anyway, we're going to go type in maybe some green leaf. Okay, that's my last look. See how my phone act crazy? First, I was looking for some type of shape. Then let's say, I don't know. I was just looking for stuff. I was really looking for like a square shape. You know, I was getting mad though. So I found then I scratched it out so I can get them little other angles and adjust it to where I want it to be. As you can see that I'm adjusting it. So it got a square where basically you can adjust it, so that way you can put it to your size or liking. That's what I was looking for. I was going with that. Okay. And I was okay with that. Okay. So now we're going to go to text and we're going to type and find another font. And then we're going to type in, so I duplicate that. I didn't find what I like. So I put border, which the island that I really want to go to so bad. Oh my goodness. Border. Border. And then after that, I'm going to type in go to elements and type in like airplane. Look at my phone acting stupid. Look at that. I need to upgrade. But it is what it is. Like, work with me with this ghetto ass phone. It's an iPhone, but I don't upgrade like other people do every time they see a new phone come out. I'm not that product materialistic. No, I'm not. It's like a phone that is, if it's still working, I'm gonna use it. I've never been the type like to be bougie or materialistic. Like, I'm grateful. Like I say, if I'm going on a date with someone, either a date or a relationship, and they buy me something, I'm not looking for product, Gucci bandana and all that stuff. I'm not a product person. Like, baby, take me to the train. I'm a simple-minded woman, girl, whatever. Bring me to the train. I could buy $100 worth of clothes there. Check me out. I'm not picky. I'm very grateful. My mama taught me to be grateful for everything that you have, and I'm very grateful. Like, I'm not picky. Like, I ain't gotta show off and be like I'm that bitch. So we're gonna go to element and type in green leaf. And we're going to go to graphic, okay? But I ain't got to show off and show that I'm that bitch. Like, I ain't got nothing to prove. Like, I'm living for me. And you're going to see me scrolling for a little bit until I find a leaf that I like. Because a lot of them is pro, and I'm not paying for no pro to get no leaf. So, anyway. And if for the thought of it, when you want to buy me something that gonna make me smell good. Buy me something that gonna wash my ass. Like, girl, like to smell yummy. When I say I like to smell yummy, I like to smell yummy. And then I love candles. Like, you can go to Dollar Tree, buy me a little journal and some ink pens. I'm satisfied. So after I found the look that I like, and I thought it was cute and it was banging and it's giving, like, hey, I didn't put too much and I'm saving it. And as you can see, it's saving, baby. Subscribe, y'all. Your girl got it. I'm cold with it. Like, subscribe. Because, like, if you're not, what you doing? And then, boom, here we go. My milkshake brings the boy to the yard.